Hi everyone, I just want to show you how to use Flipgrid. It's a really cool tool, but I know probably some of you are not familiar with it. So, um, the way you access Flipgrid is by clicking this link, and it's going to say join the grid using your school email. That means that I want you to click log in with Google, and you are going to use your Flyers email. It is only accessible to people with Flyers email. So if you're on a personal email account, you won't be able to do it. So click log in with Google. Since I'm a teacher, I am going to use my teacher account. Okay, so then you're on the English Team Taught Flipgrid page. And this is the only topic that we have right now is a 3-2-1 distance learning reflection. So if you scroll down, you'll see there's a cute little GIF here. You can pause it because it's a bit distracting. And here is your prompt. You're going to reflect on 3 things that you have learned about yourself while doing distance learning. It can be good or bad. 2 things that you think you did well at during distance learning. And 1 thing that you're going to take away from this experience and use next year in person to be more successful in school. Okay, so that's your prompt, and you're going to record a selfie video, essentially. Here's a cool feature. If you want this to be read to you, you can just click this little book down here and it will read it right to you. So I just press play on the bottom here.
3 things that you have learned about yourself while doing distance learning can be good or bad.
Okay, I just press pause, but it will continue to read all of that for you. So that's really cool and accessible. All right, so then the next step is simply to come down here and click this really big plus sign. If other people have recorded videos, you'll see little squares of the other videos here. But you just press the record button, and then it's gonna give you about 3 minutes to record, and you can press start whenever you're ready, and it shows you a timer, and it'll kind of count down when you've got about 10 seconds left. And then when you're finished, you're gonna click next. It's gonna ask you to record or take a picture of yourself as a selfie. I think you can opt out of that. If you don't want to, that's fine. And then you click next again, and then I think you review it and just submit it. So just keep clicking next. You don't have to necessarily title it anything. It should be pretty easy if you just kind of follow the steps. Okay, looking forward to hearing what you have.